Today I am joined with my beautiful daughter Elena. If you're new here, this is my daughter Elena. Sometimes she joins us for the fun, and she's off this week for spring break. Yay! So we're gonna do some videos together, and today we are outside. It's beautiful. I've been wanting to do some outside things, but it's been raining every day. So we're gonna teach you today how to do real fast for Easter some bunnies on the Blackstone. We're going to show you how. If you not have one, you also do like a griddle inside, or use your pan, whatever you want to do. But we're going to show you, and because Elena's here, she's going to teach us some new Easter signs. But we're going to start with getting ready for our cinnamon rolls first. You ready? So we've gotten our Blackstone ready by putting a little bit of oil, cleaning it off, and it's ready to go. But we let it cool off for this part. And what I wanted to show you was what we're gonna do to make our little bunnies is we have them ready. I want to let you know, if you use the grands, I think some of them still can like come apart. I not know until today. On the Pillsbury ones, I started the little bit of prep so I could try these, and I've done these a few times before. I want to show you. These, you can, I don't know if you can see them, but you can no longer pull them apart. They're like one together, which is no big deal. Sorry, somebody's making. And so here we are. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna actually take these to make our little bunnies. We have one right here. We are gonna take our knife, we're gonna cut one in half to make our little ears, and then we're gonna put them up here. But to make it more like a bunny, I'm gonna go ahead and stretch them out a little. And then I forgot, hang on, I'm gonna get some water. And what that's gonna do is we're gonna be able to push them together and seal them. 1 second. Okay, I'm back with my water. So what you want to do is just get your hands in the water. These are going to cook. Put on gloves. It makes you feel better. And put a little bit, just a drop, right at the back. So when you push down later, we're going to prep this and we're going to push them, that it's going to actually stay. So when you flip them on your griddle, they are not going to come apart. And then what we're going to do, I'm using some, I'm so sorry about the baking. We're going to use some wax paper, and you can either, if you want to make this easier on you, take a little bit, and you can use parchment paper, whatever you want, just do a little spritz, and then it's going to come off easier when we go ahead and put them on our Blackstone. So I'm going to go ahead, I probably should have put it on the other side first, but it's okay. And we just want to make sure that they're together. Spray the other side. Whoosh. Well, windy out here, you guys. It's been raining every day. I wanted to do this, but. And then what we're going to do is whatever you want to use to press. You could press this. You have a brick. You can just press with whatever you want. You're going to have to press your bunnies down, because when you're cooking them on a griddle, if we left them alone, we did not push them down, they wouldn't cook all the way and they would be doughy in the middle, right? So we're just going to give them a little press, and I'm going to actually prep them all out. I think I'm going to actually lay them down, and then what I'm going to do is I have a pan and put them all, and then we're just going to squish them down, because we do want to make sure that they're squished down and that they are pressed, the ears are pressed together. Because the other day when I did like a little practice, some of my ears kind of came apart. So you could always, if they come apart, don't throw them away. We'll just put them back together when we do our icing. So it's not a big thing. So let's go ahead and prep the rest of these. And a big shout out to CreatiityPrinted, who printed up these shirts for Elena and I. I love them. They are great quality. They are super cute. They're exactly what I wanted when I couldn't find something that I was looking for. He just got started. He's on Etsy. He's on Instagram. I'll leave his link. Go check him out. Okay, we are ready for the next part, which is turning it on and getting it nice and hot. Like I said, we had already put some oil on it, cleaned it off, make sure is prepped up. We're gonna go ahead and turn it on to high, get it all warm. Okay, well, since Elena's here today and we're waiting for it to warm up, thought we would learn some Easter signs. What do you want to teach us today? Happy Easter. Let's practice together. Happy Easter. And this is just only just a different way of saying Happy Easter. Or how about it? Easter eggs. Easter eggs. Or Easter egg hunt. Because they're searching. It's like for sign for searching. Easter egg hunt. And we had some other people that wanted to know Jesus before. I have a lot of requests for our last one from Christmas. Jesus. And I think that's all. Oh, how about egg? Is it dying? Dying. Egg dying. Okay. So now I think and feel it's getting pretty ready. Actually, it warms up fast. And we had, like I said, it's already just has a little bit of oil in it. So we're going to take these and you just take them off. We want to really make sure that their little ears are attached. Like I said, I've did a practice run during the week and a few ears off. You want to do it? Oh, okay, well, we could have done the other way. Either way, we're going to go ahead and place it on. Probably could have waited another minute to get just a little bit hotter, but I think we're good. And you could do it either way. You guys can place one, little upper, or if you don't want to touch it, just put it on, lift it off. You could also, the other thing you could do if you're not making bunnies and you just want to do plain cinnamon, put them on, just use one piece of wax paper, parchment, and press each cinnamon roll down. But why not make them fun? Because who doesn't want something cute to eat on Easter morning? Or just for an afternoon snack. This would be like perfect. Oh, I flipped this one the other way. That's okay. Okay, so we're just gonna let them sit and cook for a minute, and then we're gonna turn them over. Go too long, so make sure every once in a while you just give them like a little look, because they do go fairly fast on here. And again, when you flip them, be careful. You think they're ready? I think they're ready too. Then you just make sure you put your spatula all the way underneath your bunnies or they're gonna fall apart. I know from experience. I think last time this is when I switched them, by the way. I was like, why didn't it work? That's when I switched them another time. It's once I flipped them. Okay, and remember when you squish them, it's gonna kind of flatten out your bunnies, so keep that in mind when you're making them. I'm sorry for the blade. Okay. We actually live next to an airport on the water. Okay, so and then just there's a lot of planes. I think it's from the regular airport. I think they're ready, so we're gonna go ahead and take them off and put them into our tray, and we're gonna let them cool, and then we're gonna show you how to make them super cute, decorate them, and turn them into fun little Easter bunnies. They are going to, oops, my ear. Okay, we're gonna have to play some surgery, doctor, on this one. Make sure these are actually off. We might have to play surgery on this one bunny with a little bit of icing, but I'm gonna show you how you can fix him. Okay, we're gonna let these cool, and then we're gonna come back and show you how to decorate them. So my daughter Elena just put all the icing on. If you wanted to, you could actually dip the eyes and the nose and the whisker candy into it. And I want you to know, on the licorice for the whiskers, we also got M&M pastels, and Wilton makes a lot of them, make those little eyes. You can find anywhere. We bought some black licorice. If you can't find the black licorice, also like the sour straws, like the green ones, but I couldn't find those, but actually probably taste actually better than the black licorice. And then you just put your bunnies together. So you could use the icing just for the eyes and things, or put it all over, whatever you want. You just use your imagination. I am sure they will come out super cute and your kids will love them. Here they are. They turned out super cute. I know you saw all of them. We put some on our little Easter tray. Thank you for watching. I hope you give them a try. We're going to do a few more maybe Easter videos and then some other ones together this week, so it'll be fun. Well, thank you, and we'll see you next time. We love you. Bye.
Bye.